Express yourself, don't express yourself. And I'm not sorry, not sorry. It's human nature, it's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hate your shit on me. When you wouldn't let me say the word I longed to say. Struck my eye, you tried to shove me back. Inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and eyes. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I did not know. I couldn't take a bad sex. I mustn't be crazy. Did I stay too long? Oops, I did not know I couldn't speak my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry, not sorry. It's human nature, human nature. And I'm not sorry, not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't and you shit on me. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking on the rule I didn't make. You took my word and made it true forcefully. Fool, you held me down and tried to make me break. And I say something true. Oops, I did not know I couldn't take a bad sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I did not know I couldn't take about you. What else I'm thinking? And I'm not sorry.